Which uses, there is a scale formed on the bottom of the pot. In this video, I will show you an easy way to clean them and vacuum to the shiny. The scale can be formed from the hardness in the water, and also you may drip some of the plant material into the pot during the distillation, and the pigment from the plant material can be deposited. Or sometimes you just overcook and leave a burn mark. So all of those, actually you can use a white vinegar. So today I'm using the 5% the white vinegar. When I use this, I don't need to dilute it. Just pour it in. You pour it in all the way up to where the edge of the burn mark is. Then just put on the heater and turn it on. So let it boiling. Boil for 15 minutes and then you can turn it off, waiting that it cool down, and then we can brush it. Use a pad, or if you have a very hard dent, you may use steel wood. After the vinegar wash, most of the scale has been dissolved, but there is still a little bit brown marks, so we can use this padding to scratch it. A bit of detergent. Do a circle scratching and also the inner side wall, and rinse off. So you see, after the white vinegar boiling for 15 minutes, and then use just the pad to scratch with detergent, you can recover this pot back into the shiny. But be careful, because our distiller is made by 304. This is a high grade stainless steel. If you using a low grade stainless steel like a 201 white vinegar, you gotta be using very careful. You may want to dilute it before you boil it, because that can cause your stainless steel rust. Hopefully you learned something today. Like the video, share the video with a friend who has the same problem, how to clean the stainless steel utensil with the scales. If you think this is helpful, subscribe to the channel. See you next time.